need to vacuum the floor, and a whole lot more. So Electrolux gives you versatility. The amazing Versatility handle is also a quick-release telescoping wand that brings everything within reach. Floor to ceiling and everything in between. Versatility delivers cleaning power to all floor surfaces. The deep cleaning brush roll pulls embedded carpet dirt to the surface. And it comes with a switch that lets you instantly go from carpet to bare floors. Versatility's Bagless cyclonic separation system gives you superior suction power. The edge cleaning bristles clean right to the wall where pet hair and dust lingers. You can capture pet odors, dust mites, pollen, and mold with Versatility's anti-odor HEPA filtration. So the floor belongs to the Versatility, and the cleaning goes all the way to the ceiling. It's easy. Just grab the quick-release wand, and now you're cleaning furniture, stairs, and hard-to-reach corners of your home. The hose and telescoping wand extend to 14 feet of reach. And for additional deep cleaning performance on carpet and upholstery, just attach the at-hand turbo for tough pet hair and dust on all surfaces. Versatility makes it easier than ever to get to every corner of your home and get rid of all the dust and dirt you find with the easy empty dust cup. Now that's a whole house clean. For easy cleaning, floor to ceiling, bring Versatility into your home. Versatility, from Electrolux to you. Electrolux, thinking of you.